There's Blake to Roy. This is for the Brandon Roy with a free on the Blazers. I beat the Rockets in overtime.
Like Brandon Roy, you're never out of it. As he just comes to the ball and elevates, gets his legs behind him, and follows through.
Asia pin. Roy, trouble with the dribble. Taking Kidd down low, steps through, scores again. Rebound, Roy. Blazers cannot afford to go through another cold stretch offensively.
Against Barnes, single coverage near side, Brandon squares up. Roy takes the jumper over Barnes and can't. Roy now against Hill. Roy dribbling left, pulls up with an elbow jumper right through.
Shot clock at 8. Brandon Roy turns the corner. There's